Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I got. You know what, let me go pause the dryer. Okay, so today I went to Costco and Winco and I got maybe a week worth of groceries, but I got extra things. So I'm going to start off with Costco, and I got some things because we're going to be going to the beach soon. I got these beach toys for Emma. We needed some foil. The 40 pack of water we got at Winco, and then I got some dish towels, and I normally get their dog treats there, and I got these ones this time. And Emma will actually be starting soccer this fall, so I got her these ones, and it looks like her water can stay cold up to 24 hours. And I got me this little beach hat. That's from Costco. And I also got this chicken from Costco. It's the Foster Farms thin sliced. And this is what we're going to be having for dinner today. Some street tacos. Move those out of the way. And then my husband picked out these chimichangas. I got me, this will be mine and Emma's little snacks. The chocolate kisses, mozzarella cheese. My husband already opened this. He likes getting the beef jerky from Costco. And these are for my husband's lunch. And this is going to be for one of the dinners we're going to be making. I've never tried this one. I usually just get regular pesto. But we really like artichoke and lemon, so that was a big plus for us. I got the strawberries from them. And then the Go-Gurt for Emma's lunches when she goes to daycare. And I believe everything else is from Winco. So I actually didn't even go over what we're making for the week. And if you're wondering, I got this from Amazon, this weekly meal plan. So for Monday, I'm going to be making mole with rice. I already have the mole. And then Tuesday, we're actually not making the Frito boats because I found the pesto there at Costco. So we're switching it out with that. And then Wednesday, we're making flautas with rice and beans. Thursday, we're having a frozen dinner. Friday, enchiladas. And then Saturday, my husband is barbecuing tri-tip. Oh, we didn't get tri-tip. Uh-oh. Okay, so I'm going to be going back to the store for tri-tip and angel hair. And then Sunday, we're making hot dogs with just mac and cheese. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. So I got this from Amazon, and then you can just rip off the shopping list. I'll leave it linked down below if you're interested. And that's the frozen dinner we're going to be having: fried chicken and just chicken wings if he wants something for lunch one day. He got some onion rings, tater tots, orange juice for Emma. The lemonade is for my husband, milk. That's the angel hair pasta, mac and cheese. These ice creams will be for Emma because it's really hot where we live. Then some vegetables here, and then the consomme, enchilada sauce, beans. I get these just in case I don't have time to make this if we're in a hurry. And then just some bread for lunches. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. And subscribe if you're not already. Thank you. Bye.